a fashionista. And she's a unicorn to make she can do her knitting.
Next.
This is Pinkie Pie's cutie mark. You can see blue balloons and a white balloon. This is Applejack's cutie mark. It doesn't look like anything like an apple, but it's 3 apples. This is 3 apples if nobody heard, and this is 3 balloons if nobody heard. That's color like this. Oh. This is Fluttershy's cutie mark. It's pink butterflies. Wow. This is Rarity's cutie mark. It's gems. It doesn't even look like gems, but trust me, it's gems. Trust me, Paul.
Diamonds!
It's gems, Nicole.
Diamonds!
It's gems and This is Celestia's cutie mark, and it's a princess. So that's Celestia's cutie mark. It's a sun. That's a sun. Over here is Rainbow Dash's cutie mark. It's supposed to be a cloud with lightning, but it's rainbow. That's why her name is Rainbow Dash. Wait, this is Sapphire Sunset, my own character. Her cutie mark is this. I do not know what it is called, but it's just a sun with black. What are those called? These line thingies. I don't know. Wait lang. Hold up. This is Crystal Pearl's cutie mark. It's a crystal and then pearls and then Princess Cadence cutie mark, which is a heart of the Crystal Empire, and it's right over here. So it's not and they are not siblings. This Sapphire Sunset and this Crystal Pearls or Crystal Pearl, we two are siblings. Oh, and Celestia and someone else. This is Cadence's cutie mark. It's a heart from the Crystal Empire. I don't know if you watched My Little Pony on Netflix. Flurry Heart has no cutie mark because it's in the diaper. This is Pinkie Pie. She is a party planner. Okay.
And
this is
a
Pinkie
jumping
Pie.
bonanza.
This is Pinkie Pie. And this is Applejack. This is Rarity.
An apple bucker.
This is Rarity. This is
A fashionista.
Celestia. This is Rainbow
A sun
Dash.
laser.
This is Sapphire Sunset, my own
Light.
sister. This is
Light.
Crystal Pearls, Nicole's or Jaynie's her character. This is Princess Cadence. This is Flurry Heart. This is Luna. This is Fluttershy. There. And her cutie mark is a butterfly. And Sunset, my own character in My Little Pony. I don't know if you know it, but it's on Netflix or TV on YouTube. This is Crystal Pearl. She is my sister, my little sister Nicole or Jaynie drew this, and this is what I drew. This is Princess Cadence. She's an alicorn.
Asma.
She's an alicorn, and she protects the Crystal Empire. This is Rainbow Dash. She is a Pegasus, and she is fast, and she may.
Titingin ka dito.
She may look like she is a girl. This is Flurry Heart, a baby alicorn, which is for Princess Cadence's daughter.
Next.
That has a blue diaper.
Next.
This is Princess Celestia. She has glowing hair and an alicorn and a crown, and so does Princess Cadence. And her cutie mark is a sun. A cutie mark is what makes them special in My Little Pony. This is Luna. She is the princess of the moon. She comes to the pony's dreams and also raise the moon. This raises the sun, and this is the moon. It also has a black crown, and her cutie mark is a moon with black face. This is Rarity. I think these are supposed to be purple, but I kind of did something. She's a fashionista. And she's a unicorn to make she can do her knitting.
Next.
And her curly. This is Applejack. She is a farm pony, and she isn't a Pegasus or an alicorn or a unicorn.
Girl sila lahat.
Yes, ito.
Ah.
Ito.
Ito. Sino yan?
Si Fluttershy, she communicates with animals, and she's also a Pegasus, but she cannot fly. And Rainbow Dash can also control the weather. She can also control the weather, but she doesn't use it that much. This is Pinkie Pie, a potty Pelana. She is an earth pony because she plat parties.